Hello everyone, I am here with new topic. Our topic is octant rule for ketones. And for notes of this topic, please join me on Telegram. Link is given in description and please do more subscribe, like and share. And for joining in Telegram, copy the link given in description and then paste in Telegram app. So let us start our topic octant rule for ketone. Octant rule is very simple and basic rule of chemistry. This is used to find the number of electron in a cell of an atom. This rule applies only to the substitute cyclohexane. The cyclohexane molecules is divided into octanes by three planes A. It relates the sign and amplitude of Cotton effect. This octant rule was first formulated by Moffitt for the correlation of the sign of the Cotton effect of chiral cyclohexane ester derivative with their absolute configuration. So there is given an example of ketone. So this is 6 carbon cyclic molecule. uh, we have to change this structure into chair form, and then we have to we see uh, the different rules of octant in chair form structure. So this is chair form structure of 6 carbon cyclic molecule, and there we see the molecule, we see different positions of hydrogen. So there is equatorial and axial positions, and we divide these positions in different planes. So in plane C, ketonic group, and the ketonic group takes plane C, and next to plane B, and this is for plane A. There we see sign of Cotton effect or octant rule. This is also called rare octants. In this we have four quadrants. Uh, First one is upper left, and second one is upper right, and third one lower left, and fourth one lower right. And we also give different sign. For upper left we give plus sign, for upper right we give minus sign, and for lower left we give minus sign, and for lower right we give plus sign. And we also give different numbers for carbon, and one number for oxygen. So this is the rear octant diagram, and having four dispersion sign. These signs are called four dispersion signs, and there is also four octants. Next we see sign of Cotton effect is considered according to the following rules. So first rule is substituent lying in the coordinate plane A and B do not contribute much to the Cotton effect. This include the 2 electron, 4 axial, 4 equatorial and 6 equatorial bonds. Substituent lying in the positive sector upper left and lower right make a positive contribution, and substituent lying in the negative sector uh, upper right or lower right make negative contribution to the Cotton effect. So there is the description of a rear octane diagram. So axial and equatorial group positive Cotton effect, axial and equatorial group negative Cotton effect, axial groups negative Cotton effect, and axial group with positive Cotton effect. Next we see some examples of octant rule. So there is given example of Cotton effect or octant rule, how we form the diagram of Cotton effect or octant rule. So there is conformation of plus trans 10 methyl 2 dectone. So this is our trans 10 methyl 2 dectone, and we draw the structure according to Cotton effect. So this is the structure of this one. So for applying octane rule, first we have to form chair form structure of any molecule or cyclic molecule. Then we convert it into as a convert it into rare octant. On next video, we studied about NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So here our topic is completed. For more update, please like, subscribe and share my channel.